Hey, what's up everybody? I didn't see you there. Today's April 20th, 2024. It's 330 days on the road, and today is Saturday. We're just chilling out in the van, getting some work done, editing videos, editing photos. Rain's back there. She's making some reels. The kids eating snacks all day, playing on their iPads. And this is pretty much how our Saturdays are. It's cold here, raining, so we're not going outside. And, you know, just trying to take it easy. This is the reality of van life. Just stay in your van, tight spaces, you know, ain't nothing to do if the weather isn't good. So pretty much this is the majority of the time. So this is how I get the daily vlogs done. We wake up, we shoot videos, shoot photos, and then we try to end the day early so I come back here and edit the photos, edit the videos, and we do it all again the next day. And then you incorporate dinners, lunches, breakfasts, kids' school. So we go look for attractions, we look for places to eat, we look for all the local stuff to do. It's busy, it's a full-time job. But you know what? I haven't worked harder, but I wouldn't change it for anything in the world. Let's go see what the family's doing. Ow! How's everybody?
Good.
What are you doing?
Dude, I miss Anthony Bourdain.
Oh yeah?
I just saw this. Somebody posted about Anthony Bourdain going to the Philippines.
What are you doing down there? Hey Jazzy!
What?
Hey Jazzy, how you doing? Hey boys, how you doing?
Good.
Good?
I'm good.
So this is what we're doing today. Just hanging out. Cause this weather outside sucks. It's cold. Alright guys, I gotta get back to work. I gotta go book some campsites. I gotta go look for some attractions. I gotta do all kinds of stuff. Back to normal vlogging tomorrow. Peace.